What if you could reduce stress, improve balance, increase flexibility, and cultivate deep inner peace in just 7 minutes a day? No gym required, no equipment needed. Just you, moving slowly, breathing deeply, practicing an art that's kept people healthy for over 1,000 years. This is Tai Chi. And in this video, I'm going to teach you a complete 7-minute routine that's perfect for absolute beginners. By the end, you'll have a practice you can do every single morning. Welcome back to Daoist Mind Training. If you've been following this series, you've already learned Qigong in Episode 5, Simple Movements for Energy Cultivation. Today, we're taking the next step. We're learning Tai Chi. Tai Chi, or Tai Chi Chuan, full name Tai Chi Chuan, literally means Supreme Ultimate Fist. It's a martial art, yes, but it's also moving meditation. It's Qigong refined into choreography. It's Wu Wei expressed through the body. Here's the difference between Tai Chi and Qigong. Qigong is simple, repetitive movements focused on energy cultivation. Tai Chi is a flowing sequence of movements that also cultivates energy but adds balance, coordination, and martial applications. Think of Qigong as learning the alphabet. Tai Chi is writing sentences. Now, full Tai Chi forms can have 108 movements and take 30 to 40 minutes to complete. That's beautiful, but it's not beginner-friendly. So today, I'm teaching you 5 fundamental movements that you can practice in just 7 minutes. This routine will give you all the benefits: stress relief, better balance, improved flexibility, mental calm, without overwhelming you. 7 minutes. 5 movements. That's all you need to start. The 5 essential principles. Before we learn the movements, you need to understand the 5 principles that make Tai Chi work. These apply to every movement, every practice session. Principle 1. Relax completely. Tai Chi is not tense. Your shoulders drop. Your jaw softens. Every muscle that doesn't need to be working is released. We call this song, loosening. Without relaxation, you're just doing slow calisthenics. Principle 2. Move slowly and smoothly. There are no jerky movements in Tai Chi. Everything flows like water, like clouds drifting. Slow allows you to feel every detail, to coordinate breath and movement perfectly, to cultivate Qi consciously. Principle 3. Sink your weight. Your weight sinks down into the ground. You're rooted like a tree. Even when you're moving, you feel connected to the earth. This gives you stability, balance, and power. Principle 4. Keep your spine vertical. Your spine stays naturally upright throughout the entire practice. Head balanced on top, as if suspended from above. This allows energy to flow freely up and down your central channel. Principle 5. Breathe naturally. Don't force your breath. Let it be natural, smooth, deep. As you practice more, your breath will naturally coordinate with the movements. But in the beginning, just breathe normally. These 5 principles, relax, move slowly, sink weight, spine vertical, breathe naturally, are the foundation. Keep them in mind as we learn the movements. The 5 movements.
Now let's learn the 5 movements that make up your 7-minute routine. I'll teach each one separately, then we'll put them together in a flowing sequence.
Movement 1. Opening. Raise hands. Start in Wu Qi. Standing naturally. Feet shoulder-width apart. Arms at your sides. This is emptiness, potential, the beginning of everything. Slowly raise both hands in front of you to shoulder height, palms facing down, as if your hands are floating up through water. Then gently lower them back down, as if pressing down on a ball floating in water. That's it. Simple. This opens your energy, awakens your body. You'll do this 3 times. Movement 2. Part the wild horse's mane. This movement teaches weight shifting. Step forward with your left foot. As you do, your left hand rises to chest height, palm up, while your right hand lowers to your hip, palm down. Demonstrate. Then shift back, step forward with your right foot, and switch. Right hand rises, left hand lowers. It's like parting a horse's mane to the side. You alternate left and right. Do this 3 times on each side. Movement 3. White crane spreads wings. This is a balance posture. From your stance, shift your weight onto your right leg. Your left foot becomes light, just the toes touching the ground. This demonstrates. At the same time, your right hand rises beside your head, palm facing out, while your left hand lowers to your left hip. You look like a crane about to take flight. Hold this for a breath, then switch sides. 2 times each side. Movement 4. Brush knee and push. Step forward with your left foot. As you do, your left hand brushes across your left knee, as if brushing something away. At the same time, your right hand pushes forward at chest height. Step back, then step forward with your right foot. Right hand brushes the right knee. Left hand pushes forward. This movement coordinates upper and lower body, 3 times each side. Movement 5. Closing. Lower hands. Return to Wu Qi stance. Raise both hands 1 more time to shoulder height. Then slowly lower them down, bringing all the energy you've cultivated back into your center. This seals the practice. Those are your 5 movements. Now let's practice them together in one flowing sequence. Let's practice together. Find a comfortable space. Stand naturally. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Pause 5 seconds. Opening Wu Qi stance. Feet shoulder width. Arms at your sides. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face. Slowly raise your hands, floating up to shoulder height. Pause. Gently press them down, sinking down to your sides. Again. Raise up. Lower down. One more time. Up. Down. Part the wild horse's mane. Step forward with your left foot. Left hand rises. Right hand lowers. Weight into the left leg. Shift back. Step forward right. Right hand rises. Left hand lowers. Pause 10 seconds. Left again. Flowing. Right. Pause. Left. Right. Beautiful. Return to center. White crane spreads wings. Shift your weight onto your right leg. Left foot becomes light, just toes touching. Right hand rises beside your head. Left hand to your hip. Pause. Shift to your left leg. Right foot light. Left hand rises. Right hand to hip. Pause 10 seconds. Right leg again. Left leg. Back to center, brush knee, and push. Step forward left. Left hand brushes your left knee. Right hand pushes forward. Step forward, right. Right hand brushes. Left hand pushes. Continue this flow. Left, right.
left, right, left, right,
return to Wu Qi. Closing, final, opening. Raise your hands. Slowly lower them down, bringing all the energy into your center. Stand in stillness. Feel your body. Notice your breath. Feel the calm. Pause 15 seconds. And that's your 7-minute Tai Chi practice. 7 minutes. 5 movements. That's all it takes to experience the benefits of Tai Chi. How do you feel? Calmer? More centered? More balanced? That's the power of this practice. Your practice this week: do this 7-minute routine every morning. Before breakfast, before checking your phone, before the day begins. Make it your moving meditation. Watch what happens to your stress, your balance, your peace of mind. This is beginner Tai Chi. As you practice, the movements will become smoother, deeper, more natural. Eventually, you might want to learn the full form. But this 7-minute routine, this is enough to transform your mornings and your mind. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Which movement was your favorite? And if you haven't watched episode 5 on Qigong, check it out. It's the perfect companion to this practice. Move like water. Flow like clouds. Practice every day.